Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I have decided to participate in the end of summer tablescape that is being held by Kimberly Davis on Design on a Dime. Now I must confess, I often see different challenge and collab, and I just never thought that you could participate. I thought it had to be an invitation. So when I saw that today, I thought I'd really want to be a part of that, because I often have my table set because Sundays are a family day where we get together and have dinner as a family. So my table is already set, and I had summer in mind as well. That the fact of the matter is, fall is upon us. Summer is almost over. So guys, here is my tablescape for the end of summer. So when I think of summer, I think of yellow, I think of bright colors, and I think of tropical. I don't know if you guys noticed a tablescape I did about 2 weeks ago. It was all about the tropical bird of paradise, the banana leaves, the ferns. I love that. Being from the islands, I absolutely love anything tropical. Okay, so when I think of the ending of summer, I think of yellow still because it's still summer, and I think of a touch of fall, which brings me to sunflower. Even though I like to mix sunflower in the midst of summer as well, but I think it's perfect for the ending of summer, entering into fall. So I have some fern, I have some banana leaves, and I have some sunflowers into this tablescape. And many of you know, if you have seen my tablescape, I love having a napkin inside of my wine glass or my drinking glass, just to keep the dust away, and also add to the presentation on your table. So here I want to start with my charger, and this charger I hauled from Pier 1. Love the style on it. It's beautiful, and it was $14.95. I often love using clear plates, and that's because I love to decoupage my plates. In this case, I left the entree plate just as, and I decided to spray paint my salad or dessert, whatever you want to use it for, gold. And I love to have the contrast of both. These coasters I hauled last year, Christmas. They came from Ross, and they were, I want to say they were $7.99. Don't hold me to it. I believe it was $7.99 for both. So guys, this is my end of summer tablescape. I hope that you guys like it. I must share with you guys before I go, my cylinder. I've shared with you guys that I hauled these from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they were $4.95 when I purchased them. And of course at Joann's, I keep saying Joann's, Bed Bath & Beyond. And at Bed Bath & Beyond, you can use a coupon, which is 20% off of one item. So with the $4.95, I was able to get a 20% off on that as well. What I did, I went ahead, I don't know, let's get closer. I went ahead and took the shimmering paper that Joann's, Michael sells them as well, but Joann had the larger ones. So I hauled those and basically lined the inside of my cylinders, just to give it a different look. And of course, the one in the center is absolutely beautiful. It's a sparkle that have just vibrant colors. I don't know if you guys can see the green. How gorgeous is that? Love. So that's a quick way of enhancing your cylinders if you have those. Now, Joann's do sell them at regular price. I want to say they are 16 or 19, and you can also use a coupon on it. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching, and I want to thank Kimberly for putting out there this tablescape idea. Love it, and I truly appreciate you allowing us all to be able to participate in this collab. All right, I will see you on my next DIY.